Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just like beyond excited because of this parcel that we will be unboxing today. And it's really important that I did an unboxing video, not just like, oh, a normal review video, because the product that I got is something that I've never got before, and I feel like it's important to show how they ship the product. So anyways, without further ado, let's just kind of get into this. So a company reached out to me, and I was like, well, this doesn't really like fit with my, like, I'm not an anime girl. So if you're intrigued by anime, keep listening. Like, I do have my things that I do like, but I'm not like an avid anime watcher. I am a original Sailor Moon kind of girl. That's my vibe. I'm obsessed with Sailor Moon. Legit, like, this isn't oh, I'm quirky. Like, my purse is a Sailor Moon purse. My key holder for my keys to drive is Sailor Moon. The back of my phone case, you see? Yeah, Sailor Moon. Girl loves her Sailor Moon. So this company reached out to me. So I don't know if I'm saying this right, but anime Dakimakura pillow.com, and that's their site. They reached out to me and they're like, hey, would you like to like look at our site, see if there's something you want, blah blah blah, like here's the price range, and if you want anything, like let me know. And I was like, oh, this is just gonna be anime stuff, like probably not. But there is adult anime stuff on the site. So there is toys, there is goodies, there is perfect for those like 18 plus anime lovers out there. Anyways, so they specialize in a pillow. Well, like not a pillow, but they specialize in pillows, hence the website name has pillow in it. But I was like, oh, I'm like, maybe I should see if there's a pillow. The cool thing is you can customize your pillowcase, so you can send the image in and they can be like, oh, this is us making the pillow with your image. So I was with my friend and I was like, oh, I should make one, like, and I was like, Sailor Moon. I love Sailor Moon, obsessed with Sailor Moon. So we were thinking like, oh, we should do like Sailor Moon on the pole and send that image in. And I was like, let me just check their site and see if they had Sailor Moon. They didn't disappoint, and they had Sailor Moon for me, so I'm like so excited. So I like went through and I picked a pillowcase, and yeah, that's what they sent me. So here's the thing. This is like a body pillow. This is why I wanted to do the unboxing. So I picked out a body pillow. I picked out the Sailor Venus one, actually, to be honest. So I picked out the new Sailor Moon anime Dakimakura Japanese hugging body pillow cover, and I chose the Sailor Venus one. And I also got the new Super Comfort Deluxe Grand Siberian Inner Pillow Dakimakura 150 by 50 centimeters. So the pillow itself is $99, but the pillowcase is only $49.99. So it's like $148.99 for this whole set. And I'm just so excited. I cannot wait to open this up. Like, that's why I'm like, the stuff I went through. Like, I got a delivery notification like days ago. It was not in my mailbox. I was like, okay, I'll give it a day. Still wasn't. So I filed a claim with Canada Post like instantly, like, no, like find it. The next day they called me and told me the key was in my thing, and sure enough, I got my parcel. So thankfully it didn't go missing. Someone else didn't get it, but yeah. So I've been eagerly waiting since yesterday to open this, but I waited. See, not open. But if this is a body pillow and it fit in this small thing, I thought that was kind of important. So like, you're like, oh, I don't want to ship this big huge thing, like it ships pretty well. So before I get in any more details, let's get into this because I cannot wait any longer. They will be having a Valentine's Day sale as well, so be sure to go check them out, because what a better time than now to go shop. And like I said, they have way more than just pillows. They have things you couldn't even imagine on the site, like pillows with holes in them. So take that what you will. Like, seriously, there's so much. Sorry, I just saw like this little sliver of like Sailor Moon-ness. Sailor Venus, but it's Sailor Venus. I'm so excited. Sorry, am such a child. I love Sailor Moon. Like, look at that. This is quality. Oh, I got like a little case. Anime Dakimakura pillow. Best or largest anime pillow collection. Indulge your desires. So it comes with like a little bag. So cute. And like this little anime girl hugging a pillow. So I'm excited. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. Oh my goodness. I got a keychain. I don't know if you see this, but there's a little keychain right here. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. Okay, let's just rip into this because I'm just so excited. You get my first initial reaction. Like, I was excited to get this pillow because I'm like, it's Sailor Moon. Wow, I just touched that. That is so soft. The quality. Okay, sorry. I'm super impressed. So I'm gonna take this little keychain out because it's adorable. And look at this cute little keychain. That's adorable. Just cute just cute little cutie. I like it. I'm so excited. So I do have my own discount code for you guys. So if you're wanting to save 10% off on your purchase, use the code ADP-Miss K, and that'll give you 10% off. So, you know, you're welcome. But yeah, so, and the fact that they have a sale for Valentine's Day coming up, so that plus my discount, like, can't go wrong. So I'm guessing this big thing is my pillow, whereas this is the pillowcase. I'm just like so impressed with this packaging. Should I open the pillow or the pillowcase first? I'm so excited. I'm gonna open this pillowcase because I've just been dying. The quality of this is insane. It is like a silky, oh my god, oh my god. This is stunning. Oh my goodness, I'm just so excited. Like, oh, okay. We're gonna show you because this is insane. Here is my pillowcase. We'll start off with the appropriate side first. We've got this cute Sailor Venus going on. And I like how it's like, you see how it's all like cute around her leg? Like, it's so cute. I can't even get this in frame of how awesome and beautiful this is. But the quality is insane. It's like silk, but not silk. I don't know. So, let's go to the inappropriate side. And there is way more inappropriate than this. This is like tame. So it's just a cute Sailor Venus, but in kind of like a bikini, a little bit naughty, but so great. With like her skirts around down at her feet. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this. Okay, but seriously, the quality on this, I don't know if it's coming off. Like, it's soft and like, the quality is actually shocking. Like, you can't tell the thread count. Like, you know, when you get things and like you can see the threads, you can't see the threads. Like, this is amazing. It's so soft. Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Like, something I didn't know I wanted until I got offered to have it. Because I've been dying to get this, and the thought that someone else might have got my mail legit killed me inside. Okay, we're opening up the pillow. I'm just like mostly curious at like how they fit a body pillow. I'll just cut the pillow. How they fit a body pillow in a thing like this. But I feel like this is just gonna explode once I kind of get it open. So that's why I wanted to unbox it with you guys. That is it folded in half. So let's get into this. Oh, it's like vacuum sealed in here. I'm not even kidding. So here it is. Oh, it's super like cushy. So here's my big, huge pillow. Okay, let's get this pillowcase on so we can like really see. And then we can also know how difficult this is to put on, because pillowcases sometimes can be really hard. Oh, I love this. There is so many different animes to choose from. There is so many different options of products. There's just like so much on their site. So use my discount, like I said, and get yourself 10%. Like if you like anime, if you know, like sexy things, if you are looking for your next waifu, like I don't know what it is, but definitely check out the site because you won't be disappointed. I've anticipatedly waited for this parcel. It didn't take long to ship either, but I've been like waiting in excitement ever since I found out that I was getting this. Okay, we got her in. Now it's in this pillow form. Look at it. You just hug it. It's so squishy, so cozy. I'm gonna sit on this actually. Just sit on your lap, Sailor Venus. I'm gonna fall off my chair. Yeah, that was a fail, but that's okay. Oh, I got another keychain. It fell out of the other one. I got 2 keychains. Oops, was a drop one. Each one came with a keychain. That's so cute. Oh my goodness, I love this. It's so soft and cushy and like spanky. I can't wait to just like hug this and just be like, But yeah, so it's my new Sailor Venus pillow. And like I said, if you're not like a Sailor Moon fan, there's plenty other options to choose from. So I definitely will leave all the links down below. I'll leave the link to this pillowcase, the pillow itself, their website, etc. And again, my discount code, ADP-Miss K, will save you 10% off, which I think is so excited. I'm just excited. I have like no breath. I'm so excited. Oh my god, like, and I cannot stop touching it. It's so soft. Oh, I love this. And then like, you see that? The seam? This is the zipper down here. You can't tell that there's a zip. Like, it's just so like, this is quality. It's not just like a cheap little like gimmicky product. This is like a quality product, a quality pillow. And they're just soft, and I think I'm gonna sleep with this tonight just to be like, I don't know, I feel like this is so cozy. And also make sure to follow them on social media too, because they've been known to do like weekly giveaways and stuff like that. So like, if you're like, oh, even if you're just curious on the products, follow them. You'll see. Check out their site, you'll see. You're not gonna be disappointed. There's gonna be something. If you're an anime person, you're gonna find something. Even if you're not, I think you'll find something. Like, I'm just obsessed. I love Sailor Moon, and anytime I get anything Sailor Moon, I'm like beyond ecstatic. Like, yeah, I just can't believe I got this, and it's so like much better than I thought it was gonna be, and I just can't stop hugging it, and I love it. So thanks again to Anime Dakimakura Pillow for reaching out to me. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm sorry if I'm not. But I'm just so in love with my pillow. I cannot stop hugging it. Like, it's actually like really cushy and like comfortable. So I'm like guessing the ones that I said I've seen on the site. It's like, could you imagine this bottom part of the pillow? But it's separated, so it's like legs, and then there's a hole right here. Yeah, those exist. You're welcome. Just in case you're curious. Oh my god, she's beautiful. Like, this is stunning. I'm just so obsessed. I'm like touching right here. I'm like, I'm so obsessed. Like, what a nice kitty. But I'm obsessed. I'm just so beyond excited. And I think like I'm gonna have to go back and get some of the more inappropriate pillowcases, because this is just amazing. Like, can you just picture me lying in bed with her? Like, me in my lingerie. Me in my Sailor Venus costume. I'm obsessed. Obsessed, obsessed. She is so cute. So again, they will be having a Valentine's Day sale, and you can get this cutie or any other thing. And when I say there's more inappropriate ones, I mean like full nude. full nude. They're just so exciting. Like, you can use your imagination and get yourself something of happiness. Like, I didn't even like look at the whole site, and I saw so many things that I didn't even know existed, never mind thought of. And yeah, there's definitely something you're gonna find on that site, and I'm just so excited. And like, I didn't think I was gonna be able to find something that make me so happy, but this is making me so happy because it's like legit. This is me. I am a Sailor Moon. I love my Sailor Moon. So, thank you again for sending me this pillow. I cannot wait to like love it and hug it and everything. If you guys get a pillow, let me know. Show me yours. So show me your choices, because I like to see what other people are interested in. Because I don't know. But this is adorable. I love it. I'm obsessed. The quality is insane. I cannot stop petting it, and I cannot stop squeezing it. And those are two really important pillow things. It's like, Okay, I will stop. Make sure to check them out. Use my discount code if you get anything. Let me know if you get anything that's not a pillow too. Like, I'm interested in whatever you get from that site, because that site, they've got, I'm never surprised anymore. Like, things don't surprise me. They surprise me, and I'm so happy. And I can't wait to just like love up on my pillow. So, thanks again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that review. I hope you guys liked my pillow, because I love it. And yeah, I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye. The kitties are so excited. So this is the pillow. See, even the kitties like her. She's just so cute. It's appropriate side. And we flip her over. And then she's all like, I'm blushing because I'm just like a cute little Sailor Venus. Like, I'm just a cute little Sailor Venus. Oh, I should have Artie. My cat Artie with the tie. His actual name's Artemis. That's Sailor Venus's kitty. But I'm just obsessed. I love it. And as you can see, it is instantly cat approved. So, Maple, do you approve? You like Mommy's new pillow? It's super cushy. I'm gonna be fighting them over it apparently.